In this video, we're going to talk about how to square binomials. Recall that to square binomials, we just use this formula. We have a plus or minus b quantity squared is just a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. So if the sign is addition, all of the terms are positive. But if we have a minus sign here, the middle term is negative. What does this mean? It means that you have to square the first term, so a squared, then twice the product of the two terms, a times b, ab, then times 2. Then square of b is b squared. Okay, let's have an example. Let's say we are given x plus 2 squared. So how are we going to square this? First, square the first term. We have x times x squared plus. So since this is addition, so 2 times x, 2x, then times 2. 2x times 2, 4x, then 2 squared, 2 times 2, 4. So the result is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Another one. Let's say we have y minus 3 quantity squared. So this becomes square of y times y squared, then y times negative 3y times 2, negative 6y. Then negative 3 times negative 3, so that's negative 3 squared, positive 9. Okay? So another one. Let's say we have 2x plus y squared. What is the first step? Square the first. So 2x raised to 2. Then twice the product. So plus 2 times 2x times y plus square of y squared. Simplify. What is 2x quantity squared? 2 squared is 4. X times x squared plus 2 times 2, 4x y plus y squared. Okay? So last one. Let's say we have x squared minus 2y raised to 2. Oh, what is the answer here? So this becomes square the first. Then since this is minus, so we put minus twice the product. So x squared times 2y. Then square of 2y plus 2y squared. So simplify. X squared raised to 2. So multiply the exponent. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 2x squared times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared y. Then what is 2y squared? 2y times 2y, that is 4y squared. You see, the steps on solving or expanding binomial raised to the second power is very easy.